My name's Jamie and I just completed the T-level foundation year in engineering. I'm hoping to start my T-level engineering this year in September. I found the course really interesting. In secondary school I wasn't as motivated because it wasn't specifically what I wanted to do, but this year has really made me motivated and wanted me to work hard. So my favourite parts of the course were probably the work experience. I did 2 weeks of work experience with Hawthorns, a luxury sport car business, working on these lovely cars. They seem to really get along with me, so they actually have offered me a Saturday job, which I'm really excited to start. So one of the skills I've learnt on my course is problem solving, and that's really helped me in the workplace, but I've been able to refine that in class. I'm a lot better at my kind of general knowledge, especially in a garage or in a workshop like this. As part of this course, you do write-ups, which is very important because if it helps you get into your head what you're actually going to do, how you're going to do it, why you're going to do it. My maths has definitely improved since the beginning of the year, definitely since this point last year. I think this course has definitely got me prepared. Doing this first year has really helped me to understand what I'm actually going to be doing here. Mostly on the T level, I'm looking forward to more work experience. Having that work experience has definitely helped build my confidence. Not only build my confidence, but build my knowledge and my skill sets. But I really have realised that classic cars is more than just a hobby for me. It's definitely a passion. So being able to have that opportunity to work in the classroom, to know what I'm doing, and then to go out into a workplace and realise how much I actually love doing it has actually been a really nice opportunity for me to have.